In this video, we're going to talk about the concepts of encryption. Strings are represented as a sort of encoding problem, where each character in the string is represented as a number that's stored in the computer. The code that is the mapping between characters and numbers is an industry standard, so it is not a secret. So we learn the ASCII standard and Unicode standard. The process of encoding information for the purpose of keeping it secret or transmitting it privately is called encryption. Cryptography is the study of encryption methods. And encryption is used when transmitting credit card and other personal information to a website. Modern encryption converts messages into numbers. Sophisticated mathematical formulas convert these numbers into new numbers. Usually, this transformation consists of combining the message with another value called the key. To decrypt the message, the receiving end needs an appropriate key so the encoding can be reversed. In a private key system, the same key is used for encrypting and decrypting messages. Everyone you know would need a copy of this key to communicate with you, but it needs to be kept a secret. In a public key encryption, there are separate keys for encrypting and decrypting messages. In public key systems, the encryption key is made publicly available while the decryption key is kept private. Anyone with the public key can send a message, but only the person who holds the private key, decryption key, can decrypt it.